Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yummy Cash. In today's video, we are making prekese powder inspired by exhibiting mommy's recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Yummy Cash.
Welcome Yummy once again. If today is the first time on this channel, as said previously, we are making prekese powder, which was inspired by exhibiting mommy's recipe. So we all know prekese. Prekese has a lot of medicinal benefits, and it is mostly found in the West Tropical of Africa. Now it has a very strong aromatic smell, of which I so much love. This prekese I am using has been in my kitchen for the past 1 year. I don't know whether it is spoiled like kaput or not, but then when you smell it, it still have that aromatic smell. So I guess it is okay. My uncle brought it to me from Ghana, and this is the remaining one. I hope whenever he goes back to Ghana, he will bring me more of it, after finding out that you can make prekese powder out from it, and it can be, kept in your pantry for a long period of time. Now we all know prekese to have that sweet fragrance aroma, when added to soups and stews. Now personally, I have not added prekese to my stew before, but today I made some stew and I added this prekese powder to my stew, and oh my goodness, now some of the health benefits of prekese is it can be used in curing leprosy, convulsion, etc. And it is rich in iron, it is rich in potassium, calcium, zinc, steroids, etc. Now you can also use prekese to control diabetes. Yes, it also helps in weight loss and also acts as mosquito repellent. It helps in the production of milk in breastfeeding mothers. So this powder can be added to your stew and also can be incorporated into your soups, and also for making prekese tea. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash. Cheers.